Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome to another episode of VC Val's YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show off my new car, and this is it here. It's a 2008 FG Falcon. It's the second last model they made before Ford Australia closed. It's a 6-cylinder gas engine, so it runs on 100% propane. There's no petrol connection on it. I haven't figured out what the colour is yet. I've downloaded the brochure off the internet, and yeah, there's two colours that are very similar, so I have to actually check the code for what actually colour it is. It's like a slate blue. It's very, very nice indeed. Got the 4 power windows, electric mirrors, bit of chrome trimming back, and the door card itself is covered in suede. Just like the interior, it's suede cloth inserts. Got the Ford interior command center, so should be able to fire up the radio, I think.
Perhaps for a home renovation, to purchase an investment property, or maybe it's even time to move. To find your local mortgage choice expert for a free home loan health check, visit
selected all different channels from here. Turn that off before YouTube blocks this chat video. So it's got heated controls work through there as well. So maybe not whilst the car's turned off, but yeah. So I got the transmission here. Click it over for sports mode. So I got first, second, third, fourth. I believe this is a 4-speed car. Some of the other ones and later models are 6-speed. I've got factory iPod connection as well. So if anyone's still rocking the old iPod, plug it in. I've been having a look on the internet for one, but I've just been using the auxiliary port. Alright, that's just here. And playing Spotify through that. But yeah, no, she's very nice indeed. I'll show you the motor now. So with the engines, the rocker cover denotes the engine type. So this is, where are we? There we go. So this one having a green rocker cover denotes that it's a gas motor, and red ones are for the XR series, for the XR6s, and there's also a turbo version as well. I'm not too familiar with this gas system. Looks like it's plumbed in here, and it has the throttle body right there, so something similar to a gas research throttle body setup. But yeah, so that's the engine bay. It's got 17-inch wheels on it, biggest I've ever had on a car. Oh yeah, it's got a reverse camera here, which is accessible through the screen in the middle. So I got my gym bags there, swimming and gym and jumper, because it is a bit nipply out here today. But yeah, so it's a G6, so it's So how the model range goes is XT is the base model, G6 is the next one up from that, G6E is better even again, and then the G6E Turbo is the one that's just before the XR8. And then there's also the XR6 as well. But the XR6 trim level is comparable to this, but yeah, it has XR monogrammed seats. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy this quick video of my new pride and joy. Lots of room in there, so I'm loving it. Alright, so the next video I do, after I do a bit of cleaning now that I've got a tow bar on this thing, is might even get some work on the Valiants done. But see how that goes. So thank you for your time watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.